Hey everyone, today we're taking a close look at Atlas, a rewards credit card management app that's designed to help you track your spending, maximize your rewards, and stay on top of your credit card activity all from your phone. If you've ever felt overwhelmed managing multiple cards or wondered if you're really getting the most out of your rewards, this app aims to simplify all of that. When you first open Atlas, what stands out is how clean and organized the experience feels. The main dashboard gives you a clear snapshot of your credit cards, current balances, reward points, and upcoming payments. Instead of juggling different websites or remembering which card earns what, you can see everything in one place, which is a big time saver if you carry more than one rewards card. One of the core features is how well it tracks reward categories. Many credit cards give bonus points on things like groceries, gas, dining, or travel, and Atlas automatically organizes your transactions so you can see how much you're earning in each category. This makes it easier to choose the best card for different purchases instead of guessing or memorizing reward rules. Over time, you end up making smarter spending decisions that can actually boost the value you get from your cards. The app also offers tools to help you monitor due dates and payments so you don't miss deadlines and incur late fees. You can set reminders, see upcoming bills, and get alerts that help you stay on schedule. Since late payments can hurt your credit score, this kind of oversight is more valuable than it might seem at first glance. Another helpful part of the experience is how Atlas displays your reward redemption options. Once you've earned points or cash back, the app shows you ways to redeem them, whether that's statement credits, travel bookings, gift cards, or direct deposits, depending on your card's program. Having those options in one place makes it easier to decide how to use your rewards instead of hunting through each card's website. That said, Atlas isn't a full banking or a credit card provider, so it doesn't issue cards itself. You still need to have active reward cards from other banks or issuers to use the app effectively. And if you carry cards that don't offer rewards, you may not get as much value out of the app. Also, some advanced tools, insights, or analytics might be part of a premium subscription rather than the free version. Overall, though, Atlas feels like a practical, user-friendly tool for anyone who earns rewards on credit cards and wants a smarter way to track and redeem them. Whether you're trying to understand where your points are coming from, avoid late fees, or get more value from your cards, it puts important information in one place and makes managing rewards less confusing. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest app breakdowns, and drop a comment telling me what app you want reviewed next.